So, good morning my dear friends. So, let us study trigonometric ratios of negative angle, which is minus theta, where theta is positive. So, you have trigonometric ratios of positive angle, already we have studied sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now, we are going to study trigonometric ratios of negative angle, means sin of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, sec of minus theta and cosec of minus theta. Okay. So, here for this we consider again a unit circle whose center is at the origin. So, here I draw a circle. This is a unit circle, means a circle whose radius is 1 unit. Okay, and here these are the coordinate axis, x axis and y axis. Here the origin is. Okay, I take a point P whose coordinates are AB, and you know that this OP is 1 unit. I draw a perpendicular to the x axis. This is an x axis, it is a y axis, and here PM is a perpendicular drawn. Okay, and we know that this angle is nothing but what here it is theta, it is radian, and here we know that OM is the x coordinate of the point, which is A, and PM is y coordinate of the point, which is B. Okay. So, I take a point P dash here. So, I extend this, okay, and here it intersect. This is a point P dash, and this I join here, and this angle is, my dear friends, you know that it is minus theta. I extend that perpendicular to intersect the circle at the point P dash, and the coordinates of the point I take as A dash, B dash, because position of the point changes, the coordinates of the point changes. But here, my dear friends, observe that A dash is nothing but x coordinate, means this is your A dash, means A and A dash are same here, because OM is the x coordinate of the point P as well as x coordinate of the point P dash. I hope you are understanding, my dear friends. And PM is the y coordinate of the point P, which is B, and P dash M is the y coordinate of the point P dash, which is nothing but, I write that as P dash. And you know that, my dear friends, here I can write this B dash as nothing but it is what, my dear friends, minus B. Why it is minus B? Because this P dash M is equal to PM. Okay, because angle is theta, theta, only negative direction, positive direction, angle is same. So, this is 90, this is 90, this angle is theta, this angle is theta, means these two are same angle, means congruent angles. And in the congruent angles, corresponding angles and sides are equal, means OP equal to OP dash, which is radius of the circle 1 unit, and OM the common, what it is, foot, M is the common foot of perpendicular from P and P dash, means OM is the x coordinate of the point P as well as x coordinate of the point P dash, and PM is the y coordinate, which is B, and P dash M is the y coordinate B dash, and PM is equal to P dash M, because these two angles are same, and here B is equal to B dash, but here this is negative side, because this point is in the fourth quadrant, negative side of x axis, means it is minus B. So, my dear friends, here look here, I will write, my dear friends, here A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to what, my dear friends, minus B. Okay. Now, listen here, my dear friends, already we have having, that is if this point is P, the coordinates of the point are what here? XY, this distance is R, this angle is theta, PM is the perpendicular, OM, this is X coordinate, Y coordinate, this is your X axis, this is your Y axis. Then we know that, my dear friends, X by R means which is abscissa divided by distance, which is cos theta, and next Y by R, which is ordinate divided by distance, which is nothing but it is sin theta. Then this implies X is equal to what is that? R cos theta, and Y is equal to what is that? R sin theta. Already I told you. So coordinates of this point are R cos theta, R sin theta, and I already told you these are the polar coordinates of the point. X, Y, the Cartesian, what we call Cartesian coordinates of the point, and R cos theta, R sin theta are called as polar coordinates of the point, where theta is the angle made by the line OP with X axis, and R is the distance of the point from the origin, which is given by root of x square plus y square, and always it is positive. And if this is 1, then the coordinates of the point becomes cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta. Okay, my dear friends. So here the coordinates of the point, I can write this as, my dear friends, here what it is, A, which is we know that it is cos theta, and B is nothing but what here it is, sin theta. Okay, so we know that cos theta, which is A, and sin theta, which is B. Already we have defined the what trigonometric ratios of angle theta when we have taken a circle unit, or it is here you get X by R, here you get B by means Y by R. X means here what X is, A divided by 1 means A, and Y by R means B divided by 1 means it is B. Okay. Next, my dear friends, after that, so the coordinates of the point P we have written. Now see here what the coordinates of the point P dash are. What the coordinates of the point P dash are. So angle is here minus theta. So look here. So I write this as cos of what it is, minus theta, and sine of minus theta. I hope, my dear friends, you can understand, because here angle is minus theta. So cos theta sin theta means what A dash is, cos minus theta sin minus theta. Okay. Now I take, my dear friends, sine of minus theta. So look here, sine of minus theta, which is nothing but here it is B dash, B dash, B. Look, my dear friend, B means what here, ordinate divided by distance, B dash divided by 1 means it is B dash. And what your B dash is minus B. This I write minus as it is, and B I put the value, which is nothing but what here it is, the sin theta. Means, my dear friends, this implies sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. Remember, very, very important. Okay, my dear friends, sine of minus theta means we convert that into positive angle minus sin theta, where theta is positive. After that, I take cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta means what here it is, my dear friends, A dash, because abscissa divided by distance, A divided by 1 means here A dash divided by 1 means it is A dash, and see here A dash is A, and A is nothing but what here it is, cos theta. Means I can write, my dear friends, here cos of minus theta, which is nothing but what it is, cos theta. Okay, my dear friends. After that, I take finally tan theta. Okay, so tan of minus theta, which is nothing but ordinate divided by abscissa means B dash divided by A dash, because here we have minus theta we have taken. So B dash divided by A dash, I put the value of B dash. B dash is nothing but it is minus B, and a dash is nothing but what here it is? A. So it is minus b by a. This minus sign as it is, and b by a we know that ordinate divided by abscissa means it is tan theta. It is tan theta of this angle, because b divided by a means it is tan theta. Means this implies, my dear friends, tan of minus theta as minus tan theta. I hope you understand, my dear friends. I hope you understand. So we can write here sine of minus theta as minus sine theta, means from this we can write as cosec of minus theta as minus cosec theta. Okay, we can write this additionally, and after that cos of minus theta is cos theta, means from this we can write as sec of minus theta as sec theta. Sec of minus theta as sec theta, because cos sec of minus theta is 1 by cos of minus theta, and cos of minus theta is cos theta, means 1 by cos theta means it is sec theta. And similarly we can write this as cot of minus theta as minus cot theta. Okay, my dear friends, remember these formulae which are very important. So derivation you will not get in the examination, don't worry about that one. Only you have to remember sine of minus theta as minus sine theta. For example, sine of minus 90, which is minus sine 90 means minus 1. Cos of 90, cos of minus 60, which is cos 60, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos of minus 60 is cos 60, and cos 60 is how much? Half, 1 by 2 from the table. Okay, I hope, my dear friends, you can understand. So this is one of the concept you remember here. So sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, means cosec of minus theta is minus cosec theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, means sec of minus theta is sec theta, and tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, means cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Okay, now my dear friends, after this I am going to derive a very important theorem, and this theorem in the examination you will get in part E, which carries 6 marks. One of the very important theorem, my dear friends. You prepare this, and this is a very important question which is for 6 marks. For how many marks? 6 marks. Theorem. I write that theorem. So theorem is see here, cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y, which is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, sin x sin y. This is a theorem. We are going to prove this one. Okay, proof of this theorem. Proof of this theorem. Listen carefully and try to understand, my dear friends. Okay, very important. 100% attention. Your attention should be 100% here. So here, my dear friend, this is a circle. This is a circle. Okay, this is a circle of unit radius. This is a circle of unit radius. Okay, whose center is at the origin. This is your origin. I draw this x axis, and next I draw the y axis. This is your y axis. Here the origin is. Okay, x axis, and here it is y axis. This is circle of unit radius, means this is 1 unit. Okay, cut the x axis at the point A. Cut the x axis at the point A. So what the coordinates of A are? 1 0. Coordinates of the point A are 1 0. You know that. Okay. So what I do, my dear friends, I take here C. So I take a point P. So P is a point taken. P1 I take. Point P1 I take, because many points we should take here. P1, P2 like that. So this angle is, I take as, look my dear friends, here unit circle we have taken. So this length of the arc I have taken as x, means this angle is nothing but it is x radian. Now I take my dear friends another point. I take this point as which point it is? P2 point I take. This is a point P2 I take. Okay. Let us write this point P2 here. This is a point P2. Okay, or we shall take this as P. This I take as Q. I take this point as a Q. Okay, no confusion. So that this angle I take, my dear friends, as Y it is. This angle is Y I take. Means this total angle is nothing but what here, my dear friends, it is x plus y. I hope you understand. Okay, dear friends, I hope you are understanding how it is. This angle is x, this angle is y, means this total angle is x plus y, this plus this. Okay, so I take another point. So here this is another point I take. So this angle is y. So this also I take as a y. This angle is y, but it is in the negative direction I have taken, means it is minus y. Okay. Now my dear friends, let us write the coordinates of the point here. P. Look here. So this arc is x. This arc is y. This arc is same we have taken. Whatever this y, same this is y here. Okay. So this is y. So here this PQ is same as R point. I take that one. So little I will extend that one so that it should appear. So this point is, here it is R, I take here R. So this angle is minus y. So that, look here my dear friends, this arc AP is nothing but how much it is? X. This arc is x. I mentioned here this arc is x. Okay, and this arc is nothing but how much it is? Y. It is y, and this arc which is here, I take that as a y here, same length y here. Whatever this PQ is same as AR, and this arc is y, means this angle is minus y because we have taken in the negative direction. Now my dear friends, you know that what are the coordinates? XY. If we take AB or A1 B1, then what the coordinates are? Cos theta, sin theta, but what your theta is here? X radian, means coordinates of the point we write as x sin x. Always you remember cos theta, sin theta, r cos theta, r sin theta, where r is 1 here because we have taken a circle of unit radius. So r cos theta means it is cos theta, and cos theta means x because r is here 1 x. And my dear friends, coordinates of q, look here, this angle is x plus y, means I write the coordinates as here it is cos of x plus y, and I write this as sine of x plus y. I hope my dear friends you are understanding. And coordinates of this r, this angle is minus y, this previous we have taken, it is cos of minus x, and it is sine of minus y. Okay, and this is same as we can write here, cos of minus x means it is cos x, and sine of minus y means it is minus sine y. By previous theorem we can write here. Okay, so I hope my dear friends you understand this figure. We have taken a circle of समजून घ्या काय करावं. So in this theorem what we have taken, we have considered a circle of radius 1 unit, 1 centimeter, 1 feet, 1 meter, etc. 1 unit, okay, whose center is at the origin. We have taken the points P, Q, R and A, which is on the x-axis, whose coordinates are 1, 0. We have taken a point P on the circle so that AP arc is x, so that the coordinates of the point P becomes cos x cos y, because this angle is x. We have taken another point Q so that arc PQ is y, means this angle POQ is nothing but y, it is, means angle AO or XOQ is nothing but x plus y, which we have written. R is another point we have taken on the circle so that arc AR is same as arc PQ, which is nothing but x, it is, okay. And R, the coordinates of the point are cos of minus y, it is, sorry my dear friends, I should write here, I have made the mistake here. It is cos of minus y, and cos of minus y is cos y, okay. I hope you understand. Now here my dear friends, see here I take the two arcs, two chords here I join this chord, which chord it is, here this chord I take here, see my dear friends, I join this chord, okay. The chord AQ I have taken, whose angle is nothing but how much it is, x plus y. Another chord I take here PR, see my dear friends, I have taken a chord PR, and that also angle x plus y, don't take here x minus y. For example, suppose this is 30 and this is 60 minus 60, means 30 minus 60 is not minus 30, 30 and 60, 90 it is, because the numerical numbers we should take. If it is minus 60, suppose here this 60 and this is minus 60, means you get 60 minus 60 means 0. Is it a 0 angle? No my dear friends, it is x plus y angle, because 60 plus 60 means we can write that as a 120, not 0, okay. So we take numerical value, so x plus y, this angle, okay. So these two angles are same my dear friends. This is also how much it is, x plus y. This angle is x plus y, and here this angle is also x plus y, means observe my dear friends, chord AQ is equal to chord PR, and chord AQ is equal to chord PR, means why they are equal my dear friends, because corresponding angles are x plus y and x plus y, okay. So I write my dear friends, since here angle, which angle it is, AOQ is equal to angle, which angle it is, POR, and both are equal to x plus y. So this implies, by property of circle, in circle the chords, which two chords, I hope you understand, chord means this we call as a chord, ja, okay. So AQ, chord AQ is equal to chord, which chord it is, chord PR, kabar equal balanu, this angle is x plus y, this angle is x plus y. So in the circle, you have studied in the school level, when in a circle angles obtaining by the two chords is same, then the two chords must be equal. So chord AQ must be equal to chord PR. Chord AQ now, chord AQ माहिती आहे तुम्हाला कसं, distance formula, distance between the 2 points. What the distance between the 2 points? If we have P is a point whose coordinates are x1, y1, and Q is a point whose coordinates are x2, y2, that you have studied in this school. So the PQ distance by distance formula given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a formula, distance between the 2 points P and Q whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by PQ, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here we apply that formula and we write here, it is I write that as square root of Sangabhagya Balanu. So I write here cos of x plus y minus 1, this is your x2, y2 and this is your x1, y1, means we get here what is that? Cos of x plus y minus 1 its whole square plus, okay. What you are getting? Next is sine of x plus y minus 0 whole square. This is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. आता बाळांनो इकडे बघा. So this equal to quad PR. आता हे quad PR. Okay, x2 minus x1. This I take as x2 y2 and this I take as x1 y1. x2 minus x1 म्हणजे काय झालं? Cos x square root of cos x minus cos y. What it is? A whole square plus y2 minus y1 म्हणजे काय झालं? Sin x minus plus sin x plus sin y a whole square. I hope my dear friends you understand. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus, आणि तुम्ही विचाराल सर असं काय घेतलं नाही, असं घेतलं तरी चालते, नो प्रॉब्लेम. ओके माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज दिस इज a minus b whole square काय, a square plus b square minus 2ab, b minus a whole square काय, b square plus a square minus 2ba, म्हणजे both are same. Because if it is minus 4 plus 16, 4 plus 16, okay, because square it is. I square this. Squaring implies, look my dear friends, I square both sides, means square root get cancelled. What you get here? Cos of what it is, x plus y minus 1, it is whole square plus sine, this you get as sine square of x plus y, because sine x plus y minus 0 is sine of x plus y, square means sine square, and that equal to square, this root cancels, we have cos x minus cos y whole square plus काय बोला इथं sin x plus sin y whole square. Okay, square root get cancelled. Okay, I hope you understand my dear friends. I will write here the coordinates which are here. So this is nothing but I write that as cos y, this is minus sin y. Okay, now I simplify this. Okay, I square this. कसं स्क्वेअर करायचं? a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, माहिती आहे नाही? So I square by that formula. See here, a square means what you get? It is cos square of x plus y plus b square means 1 minus 2ab. बघा, a square plus b square minus 2ab म्हणजे काय? Minus 2 into ab. ab means product of this. What you get? Cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y plus this term sin square of x plus y, sin square of x plus y, and this equal to square of this a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is cos square x plus what it is, cos square y minus 2ab म्हणजे काय झालं? minus 2 cos x cos y, cos x cos y. आता इथं a plus b whole square, a square plus b square means what you are getting? This is sin square x plus sin square y plus 2ab म्हणजे 2 sin x cos x, sorry sin y, 2 sin x sin y, 2 sin x sin y. Okay my dear friends, after that see this I write my dear friends, इकडे बघा लक्ष द्या. So I take this and this together. So this is I write here cos square of x plus y plus sin square of x plus y. I put the bracket for this. Okay, this and this I have written together plus 1 minus 2 cos of x plus y. बघा इथल्या this plus 1, this minus 2. Look here, after that my dear friends, I write these two together. Listen carefully. Cos square x plus sin square y, sin square x. I hope you understand these two together I have written. Now I write these two together. So which is cos square y plus sin square y. Okay. Now I write this. I take a minus sign common. and I write this as minus 2 into bracket. बघा लक्ष द्या. What we get, my dear friends? It is cos x cos y. This becomes plus because minus 2 I have taken, and this becomes minus 2 is outside, sin x sin y, sin x sin y. I complete the bracket. Okay. So after that, my dear friends, I continue here. See that one. I write this as, see here, this how much, my dear friends? Its value kiti? Cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1, because theta is your x plus y. So I continue here. This is 1 I write, okay, and this 1 I write plus 1 minus 2 cos of x plus y, okay. This I have written. This value bracket is how much? 1. This is 1, means again we get in the right side, it is 1 plus 1. बघा लक्ष द्या. minus 2 into bracket cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, sin x sin y. बघा बाळांनो, minus 2 cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. बघा इकडे 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2 cancel. आता इकडे दोन्ही बाजूला minus 2 cancels. उरलं काय बघा बाळांनो? So we have minus minus cancels, cos of x plus y, and what is that left? It is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, my dear friends, this is your theorem. Okay, this is the proof of the theorem, and very important theorem, my dear friends. Remember this, practice this theorem. First of all, you understand and try to remember and practice by writing frequently again and again, and you will become perfect. Okay, so remember, once again I will explain. So we have taken a circle of unit radius whose center is at the origin. So the A is the point where the circle cut the x axis, positive x axis. The coordinates of the point A are 1 0. We have taken a point P on the circle so that arc AP is x, means angle POX is x radian. So coordinates of the point are, polar coordinates of the point are cos x cos y sin x, cos x sin x. We have taken a point Q so that arc PQ of the circle is y, so that angle POQ is equal to y, so that angle XOQ is equal to how much it is? X plus y. So the coordinates of the point are cos of x plus y, sin of x plus y. We have taken a point R on the circle so that arc AQ is y, means angle AO or XOR is minus y. We have taken in the negative direction. So the coordinates of the point are cos of minus y, sin of minus y, and cos of minus y, know that cos y, sin of minus y is minus sin y by previous theorem. So two chords we have, one is AQ, whose angle is nothing but how much it is? X plus y. Another chord is PR, we join those so that this angle plus this angle means it is x plus y. We don't take minus y, numerical value we should take. So these two chords are equal, means by property of circle which you have studied in the school level, what here? Angles are equal means chords must be equal. So by distance formula, x2 minus x1, this is x2 y2 and this is x1 y1, means x2 minus x1 means cos of x plus y minus 1 whole square sin of x plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to x2 y2 and x1 y1 means cos x minus cos y whole square sin x minus plus sin y whole square. Squaring both sides cancels. Here it is, this is here which is sin square. So here we have this here which is square root get cancelled because we have square, and this is square by a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab, a square means cos square plus b square means plus 1 square is 1, minus 2ab means minus 2 cos of x plus y, and this is here. Here also a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus minus 2ab cos square plus cos square y cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sin square x plus sin square y plus 2ab means plus 2 sin x into sin y. So I take this and this together, plus 1 minus 2 cos here. This and this I have taken together, this and this I take together. From these two terms I take minus 2 common, means this becomes plus and this becomes minus 2 is outside. Okay, and this value is 1, this is 1, this is 1, which I have written 1, 1, 1, and 1 plus 1, 2 get cancelled. We divide both sides by minus 2, means this minus 2 cancelled, and we get cos of x plus y, and this flower cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Very important theorem. Prepare for the examination, 6 marks. Okay, we stop here, and the rest part we shall continue in the next session. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.